Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right. Okay, let's stand up, everyone. Sonny, open Sonny. Happy birthday, birthday boy. Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Hey, guys.
Greetings kay Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel. Good health. Birthday Don. Birthday Daniel. Happy birthday Don.
Happy birthday Kuya Don Don.
Don, happy birthday. Love you. Talong yung birthday. Sige lang.
Happy birthday Kuya Don Don.
Happy birthday na.
Happy birthday, Don. Happy birthday so much.
Happy birthday Don. God bless.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Sa pa-birthday o sa accept sa Mother's Day.
Pilan na may dad?
27.
27? Bata pa. Okay, na si Dave. Butang. Okay, kisa na kando. Ay, kando na lighter. Okay, alright. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright. Kaon na, mga oname. Spaghetti mode. Most requested. Of course, the cake is very ube. Alright, the spaghetti is very delicious. Attack na, attack. Wish niyo siyang birthday.
Good health, sir. O prosperity.
Ha?
Prosperity.
Prosperity and good
family. Happiness. For everybody.
Hindi si Sheila kung mag-birthday.
Kasi ngay August, di ba?
August siya.
Ay, nakapans na gyud si Gayos.
Kulang ka na. Alam na kung ninyo nga. Hindi tayo bilog.
Ang iyang gayon kay mura daw kag bagong mata. Unya ni tan-aw lag movie. Sa lamay spaghetti ro.
Wala like cheese ako na.
Wala may cheese na nakuha. Ikaw say
Lami, sir.
ang spaghetti.
Nasa ko cheese.
Nasi man tanan ang cheese. O early.
Yes. Approve.
Ang cheese na ara.
Yes, na kay cheese. Wala kay rose.
April, what is your memorable moment sa April?
Kamulan.
Kamulan, okay. How about you? Kamulan yung sir. Kamulan. Guy, what's your memorable moment sa April?
April?
Aside sa Kamulan.
Alumni.
Alumni, nag-alumni mo?
Last Saturday.
Cornerio.
Birthday ni Dondon.
Birthday, mapod ni mo, di ba?
Ah, last
April 5 daw. Kung saan kasi mong birthday?
nag-ihaw mo na ko.
Di ay?
Sa bukid.
Absent day siya, guys. Delicioso ang cake. Uy naman yung sliced bread, oh. May pang nagpalit ko sliced bread.
Itabuan na ni ito, sir.
Eh.
Kuha ka na learn.
One more.
Tansay, ay, gano'n na.
Master ko.